Today I will show you how to write Urdu in video. I'll tell you about the application at last of video, so don't skip video. Watch the video at last. As you can see, I open CapCut. I pick a picture for writing Urdu in CapCut. As you can see, I'm writing Urdu, but it's not writing perfectly. I select Jamil Nuri font, but it's not working and not showing. As I open another application. In this application, I pick a picture for writing Urdu. As I'm writing Urdu, it's working perfectly. I'm adding font. If you want to download any Urdu font style, I'll give you link of application in description. As you can see, I'm selecting Jamil Nuri font. Here we add Jamil Nuri font. And you can select any Urdu font. In this application we have many features like FX and so many. In CapCut we don't have feature like in this application. In this application we have auto captions in many languages. We have so many languages like English, Hindi, Arabic, Russian, German, French, Turkish, Urdu, and so many languages. You can also extract audio from video. Go to Play Store and search VN Video Editor. You find this one.